Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to assign touch and hold earbuds for volume down or decreasing the volume. Here is my Oneplus Buds 3R and how to do this? You can simply use an application called Hey Melody. Open your Play Store, go to Play Store, then search Hey Melody and download and install the application. It will be automatically installed. So open the Hey Melody application. You can see here this is the symbol. After opening that, give some permissions like Bluetooth and location, then connect to the device. After connecting, you will receive this page. Then go to earbud controls, then just select left or right side. Actually I'm going to select left side, and you can see here there is an option of long touch and hold. After swiping you can see that. So select long touch and hold, then select volume down. Okay, then you can see here there is volume down option. Select that. Whenever you press, just touch and hold the left side, it will be reduce the volume like 1 2 3. There is a delay like 1 2 3. There is no speedy movement. It will be like take some times to reduce the volume, but actually it is reducing like 1 2 3 like that. Not like we are pressing the volume control buttons on your phones. It will be reduced within seconds. Within just you can simply mute your phone with 1 second, but actually it is takes sometimes like half second for one step down. So that's guys. And also normally it will be set to touch and hold the left side for volume down and touch and hold right side for volume up. So this will be useful. You can use these functions with whatever you need like. So I like this device so much. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.